Good morning, my dear little kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, kids, today we are going to learn one new number. Okay, so all of you ready for the new number? Yes? Great. Then look here, kids. Today we are going to learn number 17. 1, 7, 17. Okay, kids? So now, kids, tell me, which number is this, kids? Great, very good. This is number 1. Okay, which number is this, kids? This is number 1. Now, kids, tell me, which number is this? Yes, very good. This is number 7. Which number is this? This is number 7. Okay? So, kids, when we write these two numbers together, this is our number 17. 1, 7, 17. Okay, kids? So, today we are going to learn how to write and how to count number 17. Okay? So, let's count here. I have one worksheet. Okay? So, now look here. Here we have number 17. 1, 7, 17. Okay? So, kids, now you have to see what is the formation of number 17. For 1, you have to make one standing line. Okay? Then, for number 7, you have to make slipping line. Then, slant line. So, like this, kids, you have to make number 17. Now, see downside, kids. What is this? Yes, very good. These are piece of watermelon. Okay. So, what we have to do? We have to count how many pieces are there. So, let's count with your map. Okay. So, let's speak and count with your map. Okay. So, start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, and 1, 7, 17. Okay, kids? So, this is our number 1, 7, 17. Okay, kids? So, kids, now it's time for activity. So, come and join your
Kids,
map.
I have some square shaped glitter paper. Okay, so let's count how many papers we have. So start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, and 1, 7, 17. So kids, how many square shaped paper we have? We have 17. Kids, can you tell me which shape is this? Yes, very good, kids. This is triangle shape. Okay, so now I have some triangle shaped paper. Okay, so we have to count how many triangle shaped papers we have. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, and 1, 7, 17. Okay, so we have 1, 7, 17 triangle shaped papers. Okay, kids? It's a activity time. Okay, so for this activity you have to take one A4 size sheet and then you have to make one big number 17. Then you have to take one watercolor or acrylic color, and you have to take one ladyfinger. So let's start today's activity. So what you have to do, kids? Very first you have to take ladyfinger, then dip your ladyfinger into this color like this. Okay, then first you have to make standing line from this ladyfinger like this. You have to press it on this number 1. Okay, slowly you have to push it. Now I am taking some more color. Okay, now again I am going to pressing this on it like this up to down direction. Okay, so kids, like this you have to complete number 1 direction. Okay, now we are going to make number 7. So again same process. I am taking color on this ladyfinger, then start pressing like this. First you have to make slipping line. Okay, like this. Okay, so now our slipping line is completed. Now you have to make this slant line. So let's start. Now again up to down direction. Press it like this. Okay, yes, it's looking so beautiful now, kids. Yes. So kids, now our number 17 activity is completed. So how's it's looking, kids? Beautiful. So kids, you have to do this activity and send me the pics. Now let's do one small activity. I have some crayon. Okay, so let's make number 17 from this crayons. Okay, so let's start. So very first I have to make one standing line like this. This is standing line and this is number 1. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to make one slipping line like this. Okay, this is our slipping line. Then what you have to do? Now you have to make one slant line like this. Okay, so kids, this is looking like number 17. Yes, this is our number 17. 1, 7, 17. Okay, one standing line, then slipping line and one slant line. Now I have some wheat flour. Okay, so now you have to see what is the formation of number 1, 7, 17. Okay, so very first you have to make number 1. Okay, then you have to write slipping line, then slant line. Okay, see again, for number 1 you have to make one standing line. Okay, then for number 7 you have to make one slipping line, then slant line. So kids, this is number 17. Okay, 1, 7, 17. Now I am taking work in our book Candy number 1 to 20. Okay, so now kids, you have to take out page number 50. Okay, so this is your CW page. So very first what you have to do? You have to write down CW and downside you have to write today's date. Okay, now come to our question. Cross the jugs which the number 1, 7, 17. Okay, so kids, we have some picture of jugs. Okay, and inside these pictures we have some different numbers. So what you have to do? You have to cross the jug which has number 17. Okay, so let's find out where is number 17. This is number 17. No, this is 1, 6, 16. this is number 17. Yes, this is number 17. 1, 7, 17. So you have to cross on it. Okay. Now see downside. This is number 17. Yes, this is also number 17. 1, 7, 17. So you have to cross on this also. Now kids, this is number 17. Yes, this is also number 17. 1, 7, 17. So you have to cross on it. So kids, this is number 17. No, this is number 11. 1, 1, 11. So you have to leave it. Now see here. This is number 17. No, this is 1, 2. This is number 12. Okay. So kids, this is number 17. Yes, this is number 17. 1, 7, 17. So you have to cross on it. Okay kids. So like this you have to complete this activity. Okay. Now see downside what you have to do. Trace and write the number 17. So first you have to complete this tracing line. Then downside we have to write number 17. So let's start. So very first you have to make number 1. So make one standing line like this. Okay. Then for number 7, first you have to make slipping line, then make slant line. Okay. Again standing line for number 1. Then for number 7, first you have to make slipping line and slant line. Okay. Okay kids, so like this you have to complete this tracing line. Now come downside. So kids, here we don't have any tracing line or any dot here. So what you have to do, very first you have to put downside this blue line one dot. Okay. Then from this dot you have to make, from this dot to till this blue line you have to make standing line. Okay. Touch this blue line. Then again you have to make one dot. Then from this dot you have to make one slipping line. Then make one slant line and touch this blue line like this. Okay. Again make two dots. Then from this dot you have to make one standing line. Okay. Then from this dot you have to make one small slipping line. Then stop and make one slant line till this blue line. So kids, like this you have to complete this two line. Okay. So kids, don't make number 17 like this. Okay. If you are making number 17 in the middle of this box, this is wrong. Okay. This is the right way to make number 17. You have to touch this blue line. Okay. For the both numbers. So kids, now come to our next page. This is your homework. So now what you have to do, count the bugs and tick the correct number. So kids, we have some bugs picture here. So what you have to do, you have to count how many bugs are there, then see downside which number is correct and tick on the correct number. So let's start. Count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16 and 1, 7, 17. Okay. So we have 17 bugs here. Now downside see, we have some numbers in the boxes. So where is number 17 kids? This is number 17? No. This is number 17? Yes, this is number 17. 1, 7, 17. So you have to tick on number 17. Okay. Now see downside, trace and write the number 17. So you have to trace number 17, same as CW, standing line, slipping line and slant line. Okay, so like this you have to complete this tracing line, and downside here you have to make 2 dots, then make standing line, then slipping line and slant line. Okay, so like this you have to complete your homework page same as CW. Okay, and send me the pics.